Hello, and welcome to another episode of I Am Not a Chef. If this is the first one you've ever seen, welcome to an episode of I Am Not a Chef. Anyway, today I'll be making a heat gun omelet. Why a heat gun? When I make omelets, I don't like the insides runny, so I'm going to use a heat gun to cook the inside and the filling. I've tried a creme brulee torch, and that gives it a gassy taste, and it's hard to control the heat. With a heat gun, it's like cooking an egg with a really hot hairdryer. I know it sounds weird, but watch it and you can see for yourself. The ingredients are as follows: butter, eggs, and stuff that you put in an omelet. Sausage, ham, bacon, cheese, roast duck, caviar, I don't know. This is an omelet, so you put in it whatever you want. For mine, I'm going to use chili and Daiya vegan cheese. The reason I'm using this is because it's left over from something else I was making earlier in the week. Thank God, because if I had been doing this last week, it probably could have been Cheetos and bologna. To begin, I've beaten 2 eggs together. It seemed mean and inefficient to beat them separately. I poured them into my omelet pan that's been heating up at medium-low with about 2 tablespoons of butter. I've shifted the egg around the sides to cook. When the bottom is sufficiently solid, I add the filling and use my quarter cable heat gun that I got from Home Depot for just under $40. At this point, I think I should mention the heat gun can be dangerous. The heat ranges from 120 to 1150 degrees. This is the same tool they use to loosen rusted bolts and strip paint. If you try to dry your hair with it, you will probably set your head on fire. So be careful. I have the heat gun set to 900 degrees using the lowest fan setting. This keeps my filling from blowing all over my kitchen and making a big mess. I make a couple of passes about 4 to 6 inches above the egg and filling to make sure it's cooked evenly. Once the cheese has been melted to my liking, I fold and serve. Is this the best way to do this? Who knows? Could be totally stupid. But it did make a near-perfect omelet. I'm curious to know what you guys think. Feel free to let me know in the comments below. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and join me next week on I Am Not a Chef when I'll be making chocolate-covered gefilte fish with kimchi. Bye, and thanks for watching.